Hello everyone, today we will take a look at Portra 400 version 2 film simulation recipe from Fuji X Weekly. I already made a video about Portra 400, but there are multiple versions of this film simulation recipe. I think this one is my favorite so far. I just got the TT Artisan 17mm f1.4, and what better occasion to test a new recipe than a new lens? I think this recipe is the closest I've seen so far to match the film look everybody is looking for nowadays. I hope you like the photos and they convince you to try this recipe. Tell me what you think about it in the description below. Let's take a look at some photos from the streets of Valencia, Spain, and then at the recipe. If you want to know more about film simulation recipes, check out the link at the end of the video. All photos are straight from the camera JPEGs and were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the TT Artisan 17mm f1.4. Thank you for watching this video, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. If you want to support me even more, check out my presets pack, prints and links in the description below.